So I got my new iPhone 15 Pro last week and I thought, why not make a new desk charger? So here we go. I'm going to start in Shaper 3D. It's an iPad app that I use to do all my designs in. Nothing too complex. And here's the kicker while I'm doing this. I want a little cavity in there so I can add some weight so that when it sits on the desk and I pull the phone off of it, it doesn't just simply tip over and fall over. Here's I'm showing you the kind of indentions where the little Be Kind logo will be glued in there. And then here are the 4 magnets to hold the MagSafe charger in the stand. They seem to work really well for this. And now we're in Bambu Slicer, so I'll bring in my design. I like to move mine off the center. My bed's not quite level. Sometimes things fail, so I like to get it off the edge a little bit. And then I've got these 2 pieces I didn't show you before. It's the little back piece that will be glued over that open area where I'm going to put the weight. So pretty simple. I do 0.3 millimeter layer height because it doesn't have to be anything too fancy. And I do like gyroid fill, so I do 15%. Doesn't have to be very strong. And then I make sure there is no brim. This design's not going to require a brim. It'll hold fine to the bed, so no need to add that extra time and extra cleanup when you're done. So, and all that's left is to send it to the printer. And here's a fast time lapse of the print itself. No need to sit through a full print. Everybody who's watching this probably gets it. So, and then I want to show also the Be Kind logo that I did in a different color on a separate print. And here's really the meat and potatoes of the video that I wanted to show. This is something I've been doing for a little while. Seems to work really well. When you need to add weight to something, BBs are cheap. They're fairly heavy for what they are, and because they're so small, they can fit in all kinds of gaps and really fill gaps. So what I'm going to do is put in some BBs into the opening, and then I'm going to use the Easy Cast resin from just Hobby Lobby, any hobby store, to pour in that cavity to really lock those BBs in place. And that way, obviously, they're not going to move around and they're permanent. So this is a very easy and very inexpensive way to add some weight to a print. And yes, I needed the extra light because I'm getting old and I couldn't really see if the resin was going all the way to the top. I didn't want to overfill it since I still had to put the little back piece on there. So yeah, getting old sucks. And here's the finished product. It's not going to win an art competition by any means, but it's very practical. Magnets are in place, definitely strong enough to hold the MagSafe charger in place, and the base now has enough weight that it's a little more usable when I'm pulling it off. And here it is with the MagSafe charger installed. You see how simple of a concept it is for sure. And then I'll grab my iPhone 15 Pro with my Mr. Rogers screen, and you can see, hold it like you would expect. So hope you enjoyed it and get some good ideas. Thanks. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.